What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be another pocket options day, trading day. Okay, guys. So on my last video, I made a withdrawal. Okay, so now the balance is 226.54. Okay, so now we're gonna double this and add an extra 50 on top. So if you double this, would be 450, but I would like to make it round, so to make it to 500. So in order to 500, so if you keep on making 5% daily, it will take me roughly about 17 days to reach my target. Okay, guys, so 17 days would be nearly, I would say, 2 weeks and a half. Okay, so let's see if we can double our funds in 2 weeks. Today it's the 21st of 2022, and if we 1 week, 2 weeks, on the 4th of November, so we're supposed to have our funds there. Okay, guys, so if you make this 5% daily, we will be able to get to the 500 bucks in 2 weeks. Okay, so let's try to achieve that target, so making this 5% daily. So today's target is 237, so I'm gonna round this number to 240. Okay, so let's open the pocket options real quick, and as you can see right here, I've got some pairs set up. Okay, so I'm just looking around and see what's up, and try to find a good opportunity to perform some trades. Okay, so the balance again is going to be 1% of my real balance. Okay, I'm willing to use up to 10%, which is uh would be like 20, 22 bucks, something like that. Okay, so let's see how this session will go. Okay, guys, so we got the first trade right here, so we can see that this one potentially will continue the pattern and will continue to the downside. So we took one trade over there, so we just gotta wait. So let me just save this one so we can see it. So this one, we got 45 seconds to go. Hopefully all will go well and we'll be able to score on this one. Unfortunately, placed one trade, okay, because the price continued to go down, which is good, right? I cannot complain. So let's hope that price will have a continuation, and this one seems like it's going to be clear. 25 seconds to go. And if you win this one, you're going to make 2 bucks. Okay, so for today's target, we need to make, let's call it 12 bucks, around this 11 bucks. Okay, at least 12 bucks. Okay, so if you win this one, we just have to place 5 more trades and win all those 5 trades. So this one seems like it's going to be an easy trade. So we got this one. Cool. Let's look for the next one. And we got our second trade right here. Okay, so we could see that this one was going up and then reached the top right here, which was the local top, and started to break down below. Okay, guys, so hopefully we're gonna have a continuation to the downside, and we'll be able to make profits on these 3 trades that I just took right now. So now we just gotta wait for the price to come down. So as you can see right here, MACD showed a cross over there, lots of red bars. Okay, price is consolidating a little bit in this area, but potentially the price will have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so hopefully that will be the case, and we will be able to score on these 3 trades. Okay, so let's have a look at time. So we got 19 seconds on the first one, 22 and 35. Let's see how it goes. So 15 seconds. Price is really hovering around the entry price that we took. So it seems like we're not going to be able to clear the first one. Oh, we did clear the first one. Cool. So 3 seconds for the second one. We did clear that one too. And last one, we got 13 seconds. So hopefully we're going to be able to clear this one. And yeah, we are going to be one step closer to our daily target. So that's done. So we just need 3 bucks to achieve our goal, but let's try to push it for 6 bucks so we can make a round number 240. Okay, so let's go for the next one. So potentially this one, if all goes well and have a continuation to the downside, we will go low on this one. So now we're just waiting to see what's happening around here. MACD showing us lots of red bars, as you can see right there. Okay, seems like price hit the top over here, and potentially we're gonna have continuation to the downside. So if that's the case, we are going to go lower on this trade, and hopefully we're going to be able to profit the trades that we're going to place on this one, and wrap it up. Hopefully this is going to be the last one of the day. So now we're just a waiting game. So we take a trade right there. So let's see if the price, one over here. So we got 2 trades in. So let's see what's going to happen. Price is in 2 minds. But hopefully going to have a continuation to the downside. Sellers keep pushing the price so we can clear these 2 trades. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Price is slowly going down. He's taking its time. Oh, damn it. I wanted to take a trade over there, but missed it. Okay, we got 19 seconds on the first one, 24 and 1 minute. So let's see how it goes. 8 seconds. 3 seconds. We got burns. Oh, now we cleared. Cool. We cleared that one. So 3 seconds on the second trade. Nice. Red bar right there. So we just got 3 seconds, 30 seconds, I mean, to get this one. Still got a long way to this red line over here. So hopefully price will continue to push down. We got to cross over the MACD, lots of red bars. So potentially this is going to be a profitable one as well. And we are going to be closer to our target. Well, actually, we're going to meet our target if we clear this one. 10 seconds. So let's see how it goes. So if we clear this one, we're going to be in our daily target, which is 5%. So right there, oh, 39 bucks. Okay, so we surpassed our target. So 37, 39. So we just need one more buck to clear, to make it round, to make it 240, and we're gonna call it a day. All right, okay, guys. Potentially, I'm gonna call it a day because I'm not finding any really good entry, so probably we'll have to wait a little bit longer. So this one right here was in this pattern, and then start forming lower highs. You can see a triangle right here. Potentially gonna have a breakout, but possibly we're gonna have a pullback before they have a continuation to the upside. If this is the case, because MACD is showing lots of greens, and we got a crossover right there. So potentially this price will come meet this top line right here. But usually what happens is there is a pullback, as you can see right here. This is the local high right here. So price is reacting to this top over here. So let me just draw a line so you can see it right there. Okay, price is reacting to this local top over here. But, you know, if it breaks through, potentially will come all the way to the top. Okay, in the meantime, let's have a look around over here. So this one right here is still following the down pattern, but seems like it's about to change. Okay, this one broke the pattern and started to create a new pattern right here. So if you draw a line over here, we can call this one the bottom. And as you can see, every time the price comes over here, reacts, comes over here, reacts, and now it's coming to this line over here. The reason why I haven't traded on the way up, because this is on a downtrend, okay? So it's a very dangerous trend. So you could have like a mini pump and dump again. So it's best to trade going down. This one right here came all the way down. So, but candles were weak. So for this trade, I potentially would have to go for 5 minutes, you know, in order to secure my trade, because reach the top over here, decline, top, and decline again. So potentially we're going to have a continuation to the upside. So let's see how it goes. So Facebook, it's into mine. So still reacting to this level over here. and MACD is losing its strength. We got some red bars coming up, and we got this red candle over here as well. So price is definitely reacting to this one. Potentially we're going to have a pullback to this line over here before we see a continuation to the upside. Okay, let's see this one, Tesla. Yeah, we trade this one, is coming down, potentially coming all the way here to this local bottom here as well. All right, and then from here potentially we're going to have continuation to the upside because we can see lots of green bars over here, and also we got a crossover on the MACD. Okay, this one, I was hoping that this one would come all the way here to the top, okay, to this local top, but it didn't reach the top, and it seems like now it's time to go down. So if you draw the bottom, local bottom over here, we can see that potentially the price will come meet this area over here, okay, just like all these other ones. Just like, where is it? I think I've canceled it. But never mind. Yes, just like this one. So I come over here to the top and eventually is decline to the bottom, the top, decline to the bottom, but it takes a long time to get to there. All right. So this one, I missed it already. I was sleeping. Okay. So we had this pump and I thought the pullback would come all the way here. I didn't keep an eye on it on this one. So I missed this trade. So let's see if there is something that we can do before we wrap this video up. If not, I'm happy with the results that we had today, and we're gonna move on from here. Okay, this one we already halfway through, so it's too late now. That's why we have to pay attention to the charts. If you're looking for a trade and potentially it's going to go up and down like you're expecting, we got to keep an eye on the charts and stay alert, right? So this one catching would be around on this bar right here, probably here, but now is a bit too late because even though the price will come over here, price might not come all the way to the bottom, just like it happened over here, and go back up again, okay? So it will be a risky trade. This one is reacting, seems like it's gonna go up potentially. So we just gotta wait and see. So yeah, it's coming to this support line. Facebook still reacting to this level, but slowly it's gaining strength. But MACD showing lots of red bars. So it might take some time to get all the way to the top. Okay, so this one seems to be reversing, but as you can see, bars, they're not very strong. Okay, despite having lots of green bars on the MACD and the crossover right there. Okay, so next one up, we've got this one not doing much. This one potentially going to have a reversal and have a continuation to the upside, or could be just a mini pump and a continuation to the downside. Got to keep an eye on that as well. But yeah, I think this one is changing the pattern, trend. I think I'm gonna wrap it up. This one is still doing its thing. Okay, I missed this one big time. Facebook still going up. Yeah, as expected. This one potentially going to be a good one. Yeah, it's reacting to this level over here. So we just need to take one trade and make profits on that trade. So let's draw a line over here. It's so much better trade on the computer because you can draw lines, you can see better. Okay, we can see that he's doing lower lows and lower highs. Lower highs and lower lows. So this wasn't a pump of a breakout because as you can see right here, this high right here, it's lower than this high right here. So potentially we're going to have a continuation to the downside. Okay, so actually I'm going to take a trade on this one. I'm going to give it 2 minutes for the trade to develop. So let's see if I can get a better entry right here. If that's the case, I will take an entry around here and let the price roll because I believe that the price hasn't finished its dump yet. So it might come all the way down and might form a new local low. So let's see how it goes. This one is pumping up again. As you can see, it didn't go all the way down. That's why we got to take an entry when you see like, okay, he's going to reverse now. Because if you take over here, it would be too late. This one is still reacting. Facebook went all the way up as expected. So let's see what's going to happen from here. Is Facebook's going to have a continuation to the upside, or it's going to come down to the usual pattern, to the old pattern, I shall say. Okay, this one, yeah, price is not really doing much. It's reacting to this level over here, as you can see. So just gotta wait. Let's wait and see what happens. This one right here, not much is happening, so let me cross it. This one seems like it's gonna have a continuation to the downside. But yeah, I think I'm gonna clear this one. I think I'm gonna wrap this video up because yeah, the pattern, the pairs that I have over here, they are changing the trends. Okay, so they are doing the opposite. Okay, so when usually that happens, it's time to give it a break. You know, let the charts form new patterns and then come back, draw your lines, and good to go. Okay, so this one right here potentially will come down to this green line, but at the same time, you know, we got these big bars over here, which could be dangerous for our trades. Okay, despite having 2 minutes per trade, you know, can still be dangerous, right? But yeah, seems like the price is reacting and potentially it will come down. We got the red bars on the MACD, potentially crossover coming soon. So let's see what happens. But at the same time, looking at the payout has decreased from 92 to 68, okay? So if we bet to 227, you only get 154, okay? Keep that in mind. Always keep an eye on the payouts, because sometimes payouts goes from 92 to 44%. Like, come on, it's not worth the risk, right? So something that we have to keep in mind on. So let's see what happens with this one. If the price is going to react to this level again, if it's going to react, touch this level and reverse. If that's the case, potentially we'll take the trade on this one. So let's wait and see what this candle will do. But if not, I'm just going to call it a day. I'm happy with the result, so all good. We come back tomorrow and fight another day. Where is this one right here? Okay, is reacting, but at the same time, you know, the lows are getting higher, so we got to keep that in mind. Okay, lows are getting higher, so it can be risky. That potentially could mean that the trend is changing. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna wrap this video up, guys. Today's target has been achieved, even though I haven't made the round number 240. Okay, I'm happy with that. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna wrap the video up. Okay, guys, 239. It's good. So we made 7 trades, 100% profit. Well, profitable trades. I mean, so we made 1287. So the goal was 1132. Okay, guys. So I'm happy with that. So next target's gonna be let me see, 239.41. 239.41. So if you make this one right here, so the next target is going to be 251. Okay, guys. So next session is going to be, let's try to achieve 255. Okay, so we can get closer to our target. Okay, guys. So day 1 done. So let's see what day 2 will bring us. Peace.